Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have sort of a continuation craft for you. So a little while ago I made a video showing how to use the magical flower press from Witch Casket. I will, as always, pop a link up in the eye to that unboxing and to the video of me using this. And today I figure it's time to have a check on the petals that are in here and the leaves that are in here, and also to have another go at using these jar sticker bottles. I picked these up from Amazon, but they're available from various arts and crafts places. Let's just get into this one first, as it's already open a bit, she says. I thought it was open. Oh, it opens at the bottom, that's why it's open. So these are stickers which have like a pocket inside that you can then fill. I did do a super quick time lapse of me making a bookmark with one of these a long time ago, but I thought these would provide a really great opportunity to use some of the petals. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Why are these ones stuck together? Just you guys need to fiddle about with you. Right, I do quite like these ones with the labels on. I also quite like this one's a little bit plainer. So let's see about organising a design. The hardest part is getting into these things. But once you've got it started, it's not so hard. Come on. There we go. Right. So I've now got this sticky side upwards so that I can arrange, and I'm going to start with these flowers that I've got here. These are some that actually belong to my daughter, from some flowers that she received. So the important thing, of course, is to remember that what you will see is this side. So you sort of got to work backwards a little bit. But these do make really lovely bookmarks, or just embellishments for other things. I think they're really lovely. I think we're probably going to have enough to do more than one out of this lot, but because you don't want to put too much in, you don't want to overfill. And then the next job is just to put the back on. And there we have it. We have got one little jar of memory flowers. This is just a straightener from a diamond painting kit, but they're good for if you've got any little bubbles in there and you just want to get these out, make sure it is as smooth as you want. And of course you could put a label on there saying when those flowers were from, or you know what occasion it was. So there's our first one done. It is as quick as that. Yeah, couldn't be easier. So also I've got some flowers here. These were purchased as dried flowers, so I wanted to see whether my dried petals and leaves were in any better condition than these, because I feel like these are a little bit wishy-washy. These were from Amazon. I actually did kind of have a grumble at Amazon because this is not how they looked in the picture. They looked lovely and bright and vibrant, and like the daisies looked like daisies instead of this kind of, yeah. So I was not happy when they arrived. I was very disappointed. So we take these out of here. This is, you know, at this point I haven't checked on these. I don't know how well they have turned out. They could be not ready, but we'll see. They have been in there for quite a while now, and it was a mixture of herbs and flowers from the garden. So yeah, these look nicely dried, and you can see the colour difference from the green, this nice dark green, to this sort of much paler green that we've got. So we've got those. Did I do? Oh yeah, it's every single page has got some. I wasn't sure how many I've done. So that purple has come out really lovely. Very pleased with that. And of course, once you've got your dried flowers, you can use them in lots of different crafts. Whether that's in, oh, they are very fragile. Whether you're using it in card making or as inserts in resin. Lots of different options. So this is a few more little ivy leaves. Oh, that was me trying to bigger leaf. Yeah, that's come out okay actually. I wasn't sure how the big leaves were going to come out. These are great as well if you are putting together a book of shadows and you want to include some herb lore. These are great for that. Now, are these quite ready? Yep, they're dried through. So these are our dandelions, and that's the last one. Okay, so let's put together another design. Let's find ourselves. Yeah, and the ones that I got were, we've got wishing bottles, perfume bottles, and mason jars, and what was this one? Drift bowls. So they're sort of sea blown drifts. Let's do one of these. Again, honestly, the slowest, hardest thing is starting these. I wish they came with sort of a little tab to open them with. If I can find a link for these ones that I purchased, I will pop it in the description so that you can go and have a look, because I have seen them at a real range of prices. Oh, come on. Now, if anybody's watching this and knows that there is a specific knack to getting into these, please leave me a message down in the comments. I would love to know, because I'm clearly doing something wrong. I was thinking I could cut all this out, but then I decided not to. So, okay, so let's do another one. Let's get some of the ivy in there this time. I think it would be quite nice. I'm gonna pop the larger leaves down the bottom, and there we go, larger leaves. Now let's put a little bit of this. Oops. Again, just remembering always that you're sort of working backwards. So you want to put the best looking thing facing down, so that you can, just gonna take a little bit of that blue one. I don't want all of it. Put that one there. And oh, I'll have some of the herb rubber as well, just to fill in that space. Okay, again, I think less is often more. So we can seal this one up now. Okay. And again, I'm just going to take my scraper just to make sure that any bubbles are out. The better a seal that you can get on these, the longer that they will preserve the integrity of the flowers. So there we go. This bottle obviously has got a bit more sort of patterning on it, but yeah, I'm pleased with that. And then, as I was saying, what you can then do if you want is, let's go grab a sticker. Let's go with this one. Oh, so one is a little bit too large. Yeah, I think that one will work. And then we can write on there. What should we write? Potion 21. There we go. Just doesn't mean anything. It's just something silly. So there we go. So I will leave all of the links for all of these bits and pieces down below, and you will then be able to go and get them. Do have a go at this. It's such a simple thing to do, a nice way to keep those memories, you know, memorial flowers, or you know, just little bits and pieces. And it doesn't have to be dried flowers or leaves either. If you've got ticket stubs or sweet wrappers from a special day out, then you can obviously use this technique and these little sticker jars for that same thing. So that's all from me for today. I hope that you've enjoyed this little extra craft activity. Please do remember to leave a like, share and subscribe. Become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.